know what that is?
What?
It's mole.
I don't know what this smells
No.
like.
It's wine. Okay, now the sugar in. Is it all there? Okay, perfect. Okay, that's good. That's good. It smells good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, you ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay, turn it off. Okay, is it off?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'll put the flour in slowly, okay?
Okay.
You count, okay? How many is that?
Mm.
How many flowers did I put in there? Count. It's 1. Okay.
2.
Oh, don't turn it on yet.
3.
3? Is that?
4.
Right.
Enough.
Not yet.
I know how many it's now.
How many?
5.
5? Okay, we'll start with 5 first and then we'll add some more, I think. It's gonna need more. Okay, hold on a sec. Okay, no, don't turn it on your stick. It's gonna go flying. What's happening?
Mixing.
Mixing?
Mm-hmm.
You're making a dough?
It gets very crunchy. It gets very disgusting.
Disgusting. Starting to become a dough. You have to add more flour though. Okay, shut it off. Okay. Is it on? Okay. See what I mean?
Yeah.
Does it look better now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna fly out. It's gonna fly out.
It's just out. No.
It does feel good.
Feel good?
It's gonna fly out.
Yeah.
It wants to escape.
Let's escape. Okay, shut it off. Okay, don't turn it on now, okay? Okay. Almost like I showed you.
Yep.
And then you can make a little thing, and then you put them in there, okay? Put them on top of here, okay?
Okay.
And then we cook them, okay? time, buddy?
No. I just whipped that one from this one.
The dough isn't so perfect this time around.
I know how to do it.
Yeah. Okay, don't put them too close together because they're going to burn like that.
Oh yeah, I know. That's a little tiny one.
Mm-hmm.
Now this one feels good. Feels very soft.
Those we made with red wine. Right?
Mm-hmm. This comes from this. It is squishy.
Wow, you're doing a perfect job. Look at that. Should open up a bakery. Look how small you're making them. Is that for Sophie? Hey?
Nuh-uh.
No?
I almost forgot I made a very small one. That's a big chunk of fat.
It's a big chunk of fat.
Mm-hmm.
Like this, not too much, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll hold that. I'll hold that for you. Not too much. That's good. You got this good. The little bite-sized ones, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bite-sized one.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
This is a giant size.
Mm-hmm.
Here's another giant size.
Mm-hmm. All done. Okay, that's good. Okay, when it's time, we'll put them in the oven, okay? That's perfect. Thank you. You happy? Okay, give them to Nonna, I'll put them in the oven. It's very hot, okay? See? Okay, cook cookies.
Cook cookies.
Are they good? Good job.